In this video, I will talk about customizing the installation of Office 2019. I've been trying, but in the end, I found that I will have to live with all the bloatware that I don't need. For example, I don't need Outlook, Outlook, Project, Visio, and all that. But when I was trying to install Office 2019, there was no way to customize the installation. Eventually, I found this article on the website which clearly says that whether with subscription or without, there is no way to customize which applications we want to install. And the only way they suggest is to delete the shortcuts. After a bit of research, I found there is a tool called Office Deployment Tool that can be used via a configuration file in XML format to not to install the applications we don't need. So this video, I'll just share my experience of briefly doing it. By the way, I will be posting all the links to the articles and the XML file I used in a PasteBin in the description of this video. So to begin with, I had my Office installation here in a folder in desktop, and the XML file I'm talking about is like this. When you install this Office deployment tool, it will give you some sample XML files. So we do not need the whole file. If you just only copy this portion. Oh, okay. Let me open with the notepad. All right. So if you just copy this portion only, that's more than enough. What is important here is the list of applications that a person does not need. So in my case, I don't need Group, Link, OneDrive, OneNote, Publisher, Skype, Outlook. And the version, this is also important, second thing. This is the version I've been installing, I need to install in my case, and 64-bit version, and this is the retail version of 2019. The whole list can be found on this article because XML file is customizable. So you can just go down to the list. These are the common ones. And if you go down, you will find a whole lot of lists that are suitable to individual cases. In my case, I was looking for Pro 2019 retail, something like that. So I had to do a little bit of search. Pro Plus, Pro Plus, yeah. So I was looking. This was my version. All right. So I just copied, pasted this exactly and pasted here. And then the list of the applications I do not need. So this XML file is also saved in the same folder as a setup. And then all I need to do, let me do it from the start, open the PowerShell as an administrator. And then we need to browse through the particular desktop folder. Let's copy and change directly to this. So now we can see that we have all the files there. Now from here it's very simple. Just run the setup. And then use a flag called configure, and then add the path of the XML file, and that's it. And as soon as we press enter, we will see the installation will begin. And we only have the applications that I actually need, which is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. All the crapware and the bloatware is not there. So with this is a very simple, straightforward process. I will post my XML file as a sample. You can use it and customize as necessary from the PasteBin link, and then all the links of these articles. Thanks for watching.